A bitter legal battle has erupted over the late former Deputy President David D.D. Mabuza's 44.7 million rand pension, with his daughter Tamara Silinda seeking to block the release of funds to his widow, Nhlanhla Patience Mnisi. The matter, set for an urgent hearing on Tuesday, 23 September 2025, has thrust the family into the public spotlight barely 2 months after Mabuza's passing. The case, filed under number 125192/2025 in the Mpumalanga Division of the High Court in Mbombela, pits Mabuza's daughter from his first marriage against his second wife and other family members. At the center of the dispute is the pension payout managed by Alexander Forbes Financial Services, with Tamara once frozen until her claims are resolved. Tamara's legal team argues that her late father's first wife, Emuna Silinda, former Ruth Funi Silinda, was married to Mabuza under customary law. They claim this entitles her and her daughter to a portion of his estate. In court papers, Tamara also cites personal financial needs, including tuition fees, accommodation, and a monthly allowance her father provided during his lifetime, warning that releasing the full pension to Nhlanhla could leave them without recourse. The respondents in the case include Nhlanhla Alexander Forbes Financial Services, the Master of the High Court, the Minister of Home Affairs, the President of South Africa, and the Government Pension Administration Agency. Several family members are also named, including Mxolisi David Jr. Mabuza, Lindeni Innocentia Mabuza, Mandisa Vanessa Mabuza, Nkosinathi Mabuza, Angela Mabuza, and Fezile Mabuza. The inclusion of any other interested party leaves the door open for additional claims. Legal experts say the case will hinge on the recognition of the customary marriage and its legal implications. South African law recognizes customary marriages alongside civil unions, but unregistered unions must be validated in court with evidence such as lobola payments, family consent, and cohabitation. Tamara's plea for maintenance also taps into legal precedent, prioritizing dependent children, even adult children pursuing education. David Mabuza, born on 25 August 1960 in Phola, Mpumalanga, rose from humble beginnings as a teacher to become one of South Africa's most influential politicians. He held multiple MEC portfolios before serving as a Premier of Mpumalanga from 2009 to 2018. Nicknamed the Cat for his political acumen, Mabuza was a key player in the ANC's 27 leadership transition, delivering Mpumalanga's votes in support of Cyril Ramaphosa, which led to his appointment as Deputy President in 2018. Mabuza's personal life was complex. His first marriage to Ruth Funi Silinda produced children, including Tamara. He later married Nhlanhla Mnisi in 2003, a union that lasted until his death. He had several children from both marriages, with relatives such as brother Mike and sister Andile also in the public eye. His net worth at death was estimated at around 50 million rand, including properties, investments, and his public service pension. Mabuza died on 3 July 2025 at age 64 after a short illness in Sandton. President Cyril Ramaphosa declared a period of mourning, praising Mabuza's contributions to education and infrastructure in Mpumalanga. His state funeral on 12 July drew thousands, with eulogies celebrating his political and public service legacy. Yet even then, whispers of family tension foreshadowed the current legal dispute. Analysts noted that the dispute underscores the complexities of estate involving public figures, particularly when customary law, inheritance, and dependent maintenance intersect. The outcome could have broader implications for how unregistered customary marriages are treated in South African estate law, especially when significant public service benefits are involved. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.